Wow, $600 annual income. Finally made it to $600. This is exactly a year and 6 months since I started investing. Sitting on $9,875, 6.15% yield. Here are my stocks. Now, last video I talked about maybe investing in ARCC. Go over here to Market Beat. Their dividend payout ratio is really high. They do have dividend growth. They do have a decent dividend, 164 a year. Here's a little short description of what they do. I like that they're in healthcare services and like energy, food and beverage, and retail, but just didn't feel right about this stock. So I have a friend that eats Marie Callender foods, not often, but if I were to eat a frozen dinner, I'd pick Marie Callender. So I looked up if Marie Callender had a stock, and it's actually owned by CAG, Conagra Brands, if I'm saying that right. Go over here to Webull. They've actually been in business since 1975, but they acquired the Marie Callender company in 1994, and they've just basically kept it the same. Now, I didn't realize that they also operated in Canada and Mexico, and they also have Slim Jim, Healthy Choice, Hebrew National, Ready Whip, Pam, Chef Boyardee, Egg Beaters, even Hunt's. This is a well-established company. They do pay a dividend as well. The dividend payout ratio looks pretty healthy. Dividend growth looks healthy. $1.25 annual dividend. And they do pay quarterly. And as you can see, it has been going up steadily since 2019. So this stock all around is just a big yes for me. So I put about $400 in this month to stocks. Actually got six shares of CAG. It's actually gone up a little bit since I bought it. So I bought 8 more shares of OHI, what was around $30.98. It's going up a little bit since then. Cannabis stock was around $12, dropped down to like 12 even. I picked up 2 more shares of that. And ET dipped a little bit. Picked up 1 share of that. It's pretty high right now, so I'm not really putting anything too much into that. Now I have 4 stocks that pay me dividends monthly, and I kind of wanted to add another one to that. But I haven't really been looking, but I came across 4 semi-decent REITs. One is Good, G-O-O-D. Another was ARR. Another one was AGNC. It's going for $16.59 a share. They're going to announce earnings here soon. Now they've only been in business since 2008. They invest in mortgage-backed securities. Out of those 3, this one looked the best. Now this is like DX, where the principal and interest payments are guaranteed by government-sponsored enterprise. Dividend payout ratios looks good to me. $1.44 a year, which is about 12 cents per share. Now the dividend payment 3-year growth has gone down. I attribute some of that to the last 2 years we've had here. A lot of stocks have reduced their dividend payments. The dividend payment's still relatively high. It's still a good dividend payment. So next month I'm going to invest in this stock. Looking at 1 day, it looks like it's dropped, but if you look at 1 month or 3 months, it's actually up. I don't really care about the ups and downs too much, more for the dividend payout. We just go over and look at ARR, the other one I mentioned. There's like 4 different stocks, so you got to be careful which one you click on. It's a residential REIT. So if you look at the dividend payout is really high, 93%. 3-year dividend growth is pretty bad. And the other one is good. They do have a little bit of dividend growth, but again, the dividend payout ratio is pretty high. Now, they've been in business since 2003, and ARR was since 2008. So they've all been in business about the same time. I just wanted to put this out for my inclusion of CAG into my portfolio. Pretty happy with adding another food stock into my portfolio. Still have Campbell's Soup, Coca-Cola, Kraft. As always, thanks for listening. Hope this helps somebody out there. And next goal is 700 annual income coming up. Thanks for watching. And household chores.